What is A? Minus 7. 12 minus minus 7. So it becomes 19. Lalitha makes a profit of rupees 8 on every large basket she sells and a loss of rupees 5 on every small basket she sells. She cannot only make large baskets as buyers require both baskets, large and small. Now, if she gets an order of 6,200 large baskets and 10,200 small baskets, what is the profit or loss she will be making for this order? For 6,200 large baskets, she will make a profit of rupees 8 on each basket. So total profit of 6200 baskets is into 8. Now on each basket, small basket, she makes a loss of 5. So 10,200 baskets, small baskets. So loss will be 10,200 into 5. So do this calculations, follow BODMAS. Multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. So multiply this, you get 49,600 minus, you multiply this 10,200 into 5, you get 51,000. If you subtract this, you get 1400 as a loss. If in the next order she has to supply 8,100 small baskets, then how many large baskets does she need to sell so that she will make neither profit nor loss? Here 8,100 small baskets she has to supply. Let the large baskets be X. Small is we know 8,100. So profit on large baskets is what? 8 rupees per basket. So 8 into X equals to loss on small baskets is 2 into 8100. Now there should be no profit nor loss. It means both should be equal. So 8x equals to 2 into 8100. Multiply this 16200. 8x equals to 16200. So x equals to 16200 divided by 8. 8 twos are 8 twos are and 5 225. So large baskets equals to 5 225. She has to make 225 large baskets so that there is neither loss nor profit. Download Yoga app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Keep studying, keep watching. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yoga app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.